In our last discussion, we witnessed the intense debate between protectionism and free trade. Today, we are bringing in the referee to this global economic match, the World Trade Organization, or WTO. What is the WTO? The WTO isn't just another international organization. It's like the United Nations of Trade, a place where countries gather to establish rules, negotiate agreements, and resolve disputes. Think of it as the ultimate peacekeeper for the global economy. The WTO boasts 164 member countries, representing a staggering 98% of the world trade. That is almost everyone playing by the same set of rules. And what are those rules? They are a collection of agreements that countries have signed, promising to engage in fair play and maintain the smooth flow of trade. The WTO's main responsibilities. The WTO wears many hats, but its three primary functions are rulemaker. The WTO provides a structured framework for countries to negotiate trade agreements. These agreements aim to reduce barriers like tariffs and quotas, making it easier for goods and services to cross borders. Mediator. When trade disagreements arise between countries, the WTO steps in to mediate and resolve them. It has a dispute settlement system where countries can bring their grievances and have them addressed in a fair and transparent manner. Mentor. The WTO assists developing countries in building their trade capacity through training and technical assistance. It's like providing them with the tools and knowledge necessary to compete effectively in the global trade arena. Why does the WTO matter? The WTO serves as the linchpin of the global trading system. Without it, things could easily spiral into chaos. Countries might engage in trade wars, impose tariffs on each other's goods, and ultimately harm everyone involved. The WTO helps ensure a level playing field, giving everyone a fair chance to compete. It also promotes peace and stability since countries that trade with each other are less likely to engage in conflict. Criticisms of the WTO. Naturally, the WTO isn't without its detractors. Some criticize it for being too powerful, favoring wealthy nations, and neglecting environmental protection and labor rights. Others argue that it hasn't effectively addressed 21st century challenges like China's rise and digital economy. The future of WTO. The WTO faces numerous challenges, but it remains a vital player in global trade governance. As the world economy continues to evolve, the WTO must adapt to new realities and find ways to address the concerns of its critics. The future of global trade depends on its ability to do so.